Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to showing you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in this sublime Santorini black. Let's start our journey from the front of this Velar, where we'll see the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading down the side, the sporty yet luxurious dynamics are continued as it rests perfectly on these 20-inch 10-spoke satin dark grey alloys. To the rear, you'll see the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the black roof rails and the rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, which is perfect for a week's worth of shopping or even a set of golf clubs. Looking to our left, you'll see easy to access controls for electrically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure will intrigue those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their ebony perforated grained leather seats. And venturing into our cockpit reveals your 14-way heated driver memory front seats, which will ensure every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at your heated leather multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of functions to your disposal, such as your adaptive cruise control. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speedometer and your sat-nav. Advancing over to your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera. You'll further be able to access your electrically deployable tow bar from within your entertainment screen. You'll further be able to see your climate control system as well as heated seat functions from within your screen, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.